What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. It's an update video for my entry into model car 1589's lowrider group build. I'm using the recent repop of the 77 Chevy truck, street truck, making it a lowrider, putting some baskets on it, and I've been working on some striping, some details. It's an absolute first for me. I've never done this before. I mean, I kind of get the concept, and as I was doing it, I could see all kinds of room for improvements, as it were. This is, you know, totally off-the-cuff design. Never done this before, and I kind of get it, but we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna overthink it. I'm just gonna try it and see how it comes out. Basically what I did is I took some tape and laid it out on, I got a piece of glass. I got this out of my medicine cabinet. Nice clear solid cutting surface, a nice sharp blade, and laid out a piece of tape and marked it. I'd either mark thirds or cut it in half and split the difference again, or, you know, just different variants of that. The key being having a long uniform piece so that it's all more or less the same width on the pieces that you're using. Learning curve, you know. Somebody chimed in on one of my posts that having a fancy tool would make that a lot easier, but I don't have that fancy tool, so I'm going to try and improvise. It seemed to work. You know, we're going to throw some paint on this, practice some fade with the candies, and see how it goes. So I've got a slideshow of getting to this process. Next time you see this thing, it'll have some color on it. Hopefully it looks good. All right, here we go.